Welcome back, friends. We have the allotments of the four IPOs that came out during the last week. Allotments having been finalized and they are going to be listed shortly. So we have Tata Technologies getting ready to be listed on the 30th of November, which is day after tomorrow, Thursday. However, there is a new note which has come out that Vietnamese EV manufacturer VinFast is one of the 5 major clients of Tata Technologies. And in fact, it's the second most important contributor to the revenues of Tata Technologies. Now, VinFast, along with JLR, Tata Motors, is probably the most significant in terms of revenues for Tata Technologies, and its IPO, as you know, concluded recently. Around 57% of the overall revenues and around 71% of the services in the first half of fiscal year 24 came from just 5 clients, and out of which 2 of these are the most important, the JLR and the VinFast, which is a Vietnamese EV manufacturer. Now, what's the problem with VinFast? VinFast is finding that its market valuations are falling rather fast and quick. It is the woes pertain to related party transactions, declining customer traction, and frothy valuations. To the extent that it is 80 to 90%, in that range, this much percentage of the market valuations of the NASDAQ listed VinFast has come down. Now, that's quite a drastic fall. Besides, the issue is pertaining to related party transactions. A major chunk of their sales now comes from their parent companies. That means they are not able to get the customer traction from non-related transactions or non-related parties. So that's not a very good sign for VinFast. And being such an important client of Tata Technologies can impact the revenues of the company. Therefore, it is quite likely that the IPO may not have or command a type of premium that a grey market GMP, as it is called, was indicating almost an 80% premium to its IPO price, may not come to that extent. So be a little careful in that extent, friends. The market went up in the last hour today on the back of the Supreme Court reserving its judgment in the Adani Hindenburg saga. And they had some words that there is no reason why they should doubt the findings of SEBI. So people are very optimistic that they would give a clean chit to the Adani group. And that's how you saw the Adani stocks were flying through the roof today. Friends, but yes, and that effect will be there. Finally, when the judgment is pronounced by the Honorable Supreme Court and they have the Chief Justice Dr. Chandrachud on the side of reading the judgment. Now, once that happens, that can be very good for the Bank Nifty. It could be headed towards all-time high. Immediately, there could be shorts which will be forced to cover their positions. And then the question will be where it goes further from there. All-time high is not a big deal. It's anyway was a done deal even some time back. But the more important thing is where the market goes from there. Because after the Supreme Court pronounces its judgment, the next will be the more important 5 state election results, which is coming during the weekend. On Sunday, they'll be pronounced, and then the markets will react on Monday. So I think those results will be very crucial. It's the runner-up to the main Lok Sabha elections coming up in 2024. And you need to keep a close watch on that. We'll be covering it in another package that we are going to start shortly. But the Diwali package, which I have always been fascinated and I always give it a lot of credit, is about to close in one day. just one last day tomorrow. So you can please subscribe quickly. There's no extension after that. Maybe Lord Rama wants, but the coordinator is already unhappy. They said it was today, but anyway. So Diwali packages gives you daily predictions of the market, the various calls, strike price, targets and stop loss. Okay, and good stock recommendations. Number to get in touch 9820861044. तो भाई और बहनों, टाटा टेक्नोलॉजीज लिस्टिंग परसों, लेकिन उनका एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट जो है क्लाइंट विनफास्ट, वियतनामीज ईवी मैन्युफैक्चरर है, उनके बारे में पता पड़ रहा है कि अब वो काफ़ी रिलेटेड पार्टी ट्रांजैक्शन कर रहे हैं, अपने पेरेंट को बेच रहे हैं अपने ईवीज। वैल्यूएशन 85% नीचे आ चुके हैं नैस्डैक पे, और कस्टमर का ले रहे हैं वो भी काफ़ी कम हो गया है। तो ये मेजर 2018 से वो टाटा टेक्नोलॉजीज का बहुत ही बड़े क्लाइंट रहे हैं, नंबर 2 इनफैक्ट है क्लाइंट्स। तो टाटा टेक्नोलॉजीज का जो IPO आया है वो बहुत ही ग्लैमरस रहा है, उसका ग्रे मार्केट प्रीमियम लगभग 80% है। हो सकता है इस न्यूज़ से कुछ इम्पैक्ट आ जाए। विनफास्ट का नंबर 2 है JLR, जागुआर लैंड रोवर, टाटा मोटर्स, ये नंबर 1 पे है क्लाइंट लिस्ट पे। नंबर 2 पे वियतनामीज ईवी मैन्युफैक्चरर विनफास्ट। तो अगर इसके शेयर्स गिर जाते हैं, मार्केट वैल्यू गिर जाती है, इसके अगर कस्टमर ट्रैक्शन कम हो जाता है और नैस्डैक पे लिस्टेड हैं, वैल्यूएशंस अगर घट जाते हैं, तो इसका इफेक्ट ज़रूर टाटा टेक्नोलॉजीज़ के IPO के लिस्टिंग प्राइस के ऊपर भी आने की संभावना है। तो संभाल के रहिएगा, और अच्छे प्रेडिक्शंस डेली बेसिस पे मिलेंगे आपको। हमारे सभी में तो है ही प्रीमियम प्लस में, लेकिन हमने एक बहुत अच्छा जो पैकेज लॉन्च किया, दिवाली पैकेज, वो अंत होने को आ रहा है। उसे ज्वाइन करके डेली प्रेडिक्शंस आपको, जैसे आज मिला लोगों को, कल मिलेगा परसों का, कि गुरुवार के दिन कैसे रहेगा मार्केट, और क्रूशल एक्सपायरी का भी दिन है। तो ये सब आप ज्वाइन करेंगे तो आपको ये सब मिलते रहेगा। वैसे भी यूट्यूब में तो जितना हो सकता है मैं ज्ञान बांटने की कोशिश तो कर ही रहा हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ थोड़ा ज़्यादा डिटेल में मिल जाते हैं और अच्छे स्टॉक रिकमेंडेशंस भी मिल जाते हैं। ठीक है, तो ज़रूर ज्वाइन करें, उसको ना भूलें, और बहुत मॉडरेटली प्राइस रखा ताकि मैक्सिमम लोग इसका लाभ उठा सकें। संपर्क करने का सबका नंबर वही है जो प्रीमियम प्लस का भी है, 9820861044। तो ये IPOs की लिस्टिंग कैसे होगी, अब ये टाटा टेक्नोलॉजी की इतनी बड़ी बात आ गई है। देखें परसों ग्रे मार्केट प्रीमियम जो है वो कितना जस्टिफाइड है, या कुछ गिर जाता है, कुछ तो असर तो पड़ेगा। ठीक है, चलिए फिर से बात होगी, फिर से आप लोगों से विचारों का लेना देना रहेगा, चलता ही रहेगा वो तो किस्सा। ठीक है, नमस्ते, चलिए शुभ रात्रि।